Did you know dal can help you to stabilize blood sugar because it has glycemic index, so you absorb it more slowly, and it can help you both maintain and lose weight because it makes you feel full for longer, so you are likely to eat less. An interesting fact, in 1 cup of dal provides almost 70% of daily recommended amount of fiber, and it also contains proteins, fat, water, most importantly vitamin B complex, which are thiamine, folate, and they are very important for our metabolism. Hello everyone, this is Global Cooking Studio, and today we'll be cooking dal. Dal is a Sanskrit word which means to split. So what is dal actually? It's a kind of stew or soup made with any kind of pulses, whole or split, is known as dal. And it is often translated as lentils, but actually refers to as split version of lentils, peas, chickpeas, kidney beans, and so on. So if a pulse is split into half, it is dal. For example, split mung beans are mung dal. So with that keep in mind, let's begin. The ingredients that we need are lentils 150 to 200 grams, onion slices half cup, garlic 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, spice powder 1 teaspoon. Here I am showing the spice powder that I made it at home. We also need oil, salt as taste, water, etc. Now let me show you the most simple way of cooking dal. Now a tips. The water should be 1 or 2 inches above the lentils, and it should be hot. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Share and subscribe, share and subscribe, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.